Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to see very important mathematical tool which is useful in both mathematics and physics, which is differentiation. What is meant by differentiation? How to do differentiation? What are the differentiation for various functions? All these things we will discuss in this session. First of all, very important concept, differentiation means let us consider an example. I'll tell you. Your salary is 1 lakh rupees. Your salary is 1 lakh rupees. In this, your home loan is 50,000. 50k is your home loan. 30,000 rupees your monthly expenses. Grocery and all, electricity bill, house rent, remaining all the grocery, 30,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees your savings. That means what you are doing, your total salary is dividing into so many parts. You are differentiating your whole salary. In the similar manner, how to differentiate a function? A variable, a function is in the form of x power n or a power x, like that, constant power variable, variable power constant, like that, different functions. How to differentiate, we will see. First of all, try to understand the concept. Differentiation means in mathematics we simply call it as slope beta. Slope is denoted by theta. How to find theta? Theta is simply, we can say, tan theta. Tan 45 value is 1. So tan theta, if theta is very small, this is what x-axis, this is y-axis. If graph is like this, theta always calculates on the positive x-axis. This is what theta. If theta is 45 degrees, then tan theta is 1. This slope value 1 if it is 45. If it is 1 degree, 2 degrees, 5 degrees, 10 degrees, tan theta is almost equal to theta. This theta is called slope. Slope means simply you calculate theta. How to calculate theta? Tan theta is equal to, let us consider it is a right angle triangle beta. This is tan theta. Theta, this is what opposite side of the theta. This is adjacent side. This is what hypotenuse. How to find tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is what slope. Simply you can say this is y-axis, this is x-axis. That means this is y coordinate, this is x coordinate. Simply you can write it as y by x. Tan theta is simply y by x. Now, if it is a straight line, it is okay. Once again, differentiation means first of all find the slope. Slope is theta. How to find theta? Theta is always calculated. Given graph always calculates on the positive axis. This is x-axis. The graph, this is the given graph. So you have to calculate in anti-clockwise direction. This is what theta. Theta, how to calculate theta? Simply tan theta. If tan 45 degrees is 1, that means for smaller angles, tan theta is almost equal to theta. Tan theta formula you know, opposite by adjacent side, y by x. That means y-axis by x-axis. You know very well there are 4 coordinates. All silver, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth. You are very well aware of that. All silver teacups. All silver teacups. All means all trigonometric functions are positive. What are all those 6 trigonometric functions? Sine, cos, sine by cos tan, cos by sine cot, 1 by sine cosec, and 1 by cos secant. All these 6 trigonometric functions are positive in the first quadrant. Second quadrant, all silver. This is the code silver. What is the first letter? Sine. S means sine. What is the sine reciprocal? 1 by sine is cosec. Only these 2 trigonometric functions are positive. Remaining 4 are negative. All silver teacups. T first letter T. T means tan. 1 by tan is cot. Only these 2 are positive in third quadrant. And last one, all silver teacups. Cups first letter C. C means cos. 1 by cos is secant. Only these 2 trigonometric functions are positive. That means tan theta is positive. Every trigonometric function is positive in 2 quadrants. Now you can easily imagine tan is positive in third quadrant and first quadrant. That means tan theta is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. What is meant by third quadrant? First quadrant is in between 0 to 90. Whenever it comes to 90 plus 91 to 180 degrees, it comes to second quadrant. 181 to 270, it comes into third quadrant. 271 to 361, complete rotation means one circle. First and third quadrants, tan is positive. All these things you will knowing in the further classes. Once again, first you find the slope. Whenever they ask you to find the differentiation means find the slope. Slope means theta. Theta means tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is y-axis by adjacent side is x-axis. Tan theta is positive in two quadrants, first quadrant and third quadrant. Remember up to here. Now how to find the slope for the curve. For straight line it is easy. Let us consider now the graph is like this beta. Not a straight line. This is what positive x-axis, this is the positive y-axis, this is the given graph. This is what origin. Let us consider you take one point here. Now draw a slope. This is what theta 1. If you take one more point here, now this is making theta 2 angle with the positive x-axis. Now theta is not constant beta, theta 2 is greater than theta 1. Initially we saw that it is a straight line. Wherever you see this positive x-axis, this is what theta. If you remove the positive x-axis, if you shift here, this is what theta. Theta is always constant here because it is a straight line. Theta is constant. Slope is constant. In this case, slope is constant. But here slope is not constant. Slope is changing. Slope is increasing. Here, if you draw a tangent, this is theta. Theta is very small. Theta 1 is greater. Theta 2 is more greater. Theta 3 is more greater. That means theta is changing. At that time, how to find the slope? Slope of this graph is finding is very difficult. Tan theta you cannot find. Tan theta is continuously changing. At that time, this formula, we have to do one small thing that I'll tell you here. Let us consider the graph is given like this beta. This is a curve. Choose very two close points beta. These two very close points you choose. Now if you draw a tangent between these two, this is a straight line. That means you can find this is a right angle triangle. You can find easily this theta. You want this point, take two choose points. This is what right angle triangle. Now finding this theta is very easy. If you differentiate these 2 points, this point like the small areas, if you cut into, find the slope. If you add all these, we call it as integration. If you split all these, we call it as a differentiation. Differentiation means splitting the given graph into smaller portion. Take any 2 close points and draw a tangent. Now this is what x-axis, shift, this is what y-axis, find the slope. Like this, one more triangle, 2 points very close, like this. If you choose like this, these are all called differentiating. Differentiation means splitting into small parts. Now this is called small dy beta. Dy means y-axis, very small dy axis. This is what small dx. This is opposite side to theta, this is adjacent side. So you can write it as theta is equal to dy by dx. What is theta? Theta is nothing but tan theta. Here theta is very small. So that you can write it as theta is equal to dy by dx. This dy by dx is called nothing but differentiation. We call it as a differentiation. Differentiation means splitting the graph into small portions. Differentiation is denoted by dy by dx. dy is the y-axis, smaller portion on the y-axis. Dx means smaller portion on the x-axis. This ratio is called theta. Clear beta? Now, sir, how to write dy by dx, sir? dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. This is nothing but theta. Theta opposite side, this is adjacent side. All the time you no need to write dy by dx beta. Simply you can write it as y dash. Y dash means dy by dx only. Dy by dx means nothing but theta only. Theta means nothing but tan theta only. tan theta, if theta is very small, you can write it as theta. Theta means dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but y dash. If you do 1 to numericals, you will be very much compatible with this, all this. Once again, differentiation means splitting the given graph into smaller portions. You make a small right angle triangle. This is the curve. This is the curve. Choose very two close points here. Two close points here and here. Now here and here one more point. This is called differentiation beta. Differentiation means splitting the graph into smaller portions. Here two portions. This is what splitting. These 2 points. These 2 points like this. This is what differentiation. Clear? Now see how to find the differentiation if 2 points are given. Observe carefully beta. This is what graph. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is origin. Graph, this is origin. Now let us consider this is the given graph. Initial point is here x1, y1. Here one more point is given x2, y2. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis. You have to find the slope theta. Theta is nothing but tan theta. How to find tan theta? Slope, how to find? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the slope. Sir, tell me in terms of tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Y-axis by x-axis. Y-axis means y-axis difference. What is y? Y coordinates y2 minus y1. Y2 minus y1 by x coordinates x2 minus x1. This is what tan theta. If you hear this theta is very small. Why? Because you are taking small portion between 2 points. Actually these 2 points are very closer. Tan theta is close to theta. That is why tan theta and theta both are same. This is what slope beta. Clear? Please note down up to here. Now see children, I will give you some functions, some questions I will give you. Then try to do it. First of all, first question, y is equal to 10. Y is a function, 10 is a constant. Constant differentiation is always 0 beta. Constant differentiation means always 0. So differentiation means what should be write? Dy by dx is equal to constant is 0. Dy by dx is 0. That means the slope is 0. That means the graph would be like this beta. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Y is equal to 10. On y-axis this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is what 10. Y is equal to on y-axis 10, x-axis there is no value, x is 0. That means it is not making any angle with the x-axis. Theta is 0. Angle is 0. Slope is not there. Theta is 0 means tan theta is 0. Tan theta is 0 means what? Y-axis by x-axis is 0. What is y-axis by x-axis means dy by dx. Small change in y by small change in x is 0. This is the meaning of this sentence. Y is equal to 10 means on y-axis it is 10 units for, but x-axis is constant. Man theta ante what should you know? It should make some angle. It should make some angle with the positive x-axis, but the graph is given in a straight line, so that it is not making any angle with the positive x-axis. Hence theta is 0. Clear beta? Please note down. Question number 2 beta. Y is equal to x power n. Y is a function, x is a variable, n is constant. How to find dy by dx? Dy by dx simply you can write it as y dash also. Now this is the function. What is the slope of this function? Simply you bring this constant forward, n into x power n minus 1. Very important formula beta. Y is equal to x power n, y dash. What is dy by dx? N into x power n minus 1. Some examples I'll tell you. Y is equal to x power 5. Simply you can write it as y dash is equal to 5. Bring this forward, x power 5 minus 1. 5 into x power 4. One more example I'll tell you. This is example number 3. Example number 4. X is equal to y power 6. Simply you can write it as dx by dx by dy. Now function is with respect to y. Y is variable. dx by dy I am writing 6 into y power 6 minus 1 5. Do one more example. Y is equal to 5x power 4. Y is equal to 5 constant, keep it aside. This is the function x power n, n into 4 into x power 4 minus 1, 20x cube. This is what y is equal to x power n based on that applications. One more application, question number 6, y is equal to x power 1 by 2. dy by dx, simply you can write it as y dash. Y dash is equal to, or dy by dx is equal to n into, this one you bring forward, x power 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 into x power half minus 1 minus half. So you can write it as 1 by 2. This 1 by x power 2 bring into numerator 1 by 2. This is root x. 1 by 2 root x. Y is equal to x power 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 root x. This is the answer. One more question. Y is equal to root x. Do one more problem. Y is equal to root x. This one and this one both are same. Y is equal to 1 root x means x power 1 by 2. You have to find y dash. Also call it as dy by dx is equal to n into x power n minus 1. 1 by 2 into x power half minus 1 minus half. Minus half bring into denominator x power 1 by 2 which is equal to 2 root x. This is the answer. Do it beta. If you practice, you will get it. Next question. Some more questions I will give you. Do homework. Y is equal to 1 by cube root of x. Do this problem. So y is equal to 1 by x power cube root means you can write it as 1 by 3. Y is equal to x power 1 by 3 bring into numerator x power minus 1 by 3. This is in the form of y is equal to x power n. What is differentiation? Y dash is equal to n into x power n minus 1. This is the formula. Now y dash is equal to n into, n is minus 1 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Y dash is equal to minus 1 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3 minus 1. LCM is 3. Minus 1 minus 3. So minus 1 by 3 into x power minus 4 by 3. This is the answer. Next question. Y is equal to x square. Y dash is equal to this one 2 into x power 2 minus 1. 2x is the answer. Y dash equal to 2x. This is the way of doing. The formula is, if y is equal to x power n, y dash or dy by dx is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Very, very important formula. Please note down beta. Take different formula, different values and practice it. Right. See different examples there. 16 examples are given on the board. Try to do all these 16 examples. It is in the form of y is equal to x power n beta. Y is equal to x power n. What is the differentiation? Y dash is equal to n into 1 into x power 1 minus 1. 1 into x power 0. Anything power 0, y equal to, anything power 0 is 1. Y is equal to 1. This is the answer for the first question. Now, second one, y is equal to e power x. Y dash is equal to e power x only. Y dash means nothing but dy by dx. Slope of y with respect to x. X is variable here. Now, this one see, y is equal to a power x. Y is equal to a power x into log a. Constant power variable. If it is a constant power variable, differentiation is a power x into log a. Now, y dash is equal, this is in the form of a power x beta. 4 power x into log 4. 4 power x into log 4. Constant power variable into simply same function, write it as it is plus log. Now y is equal to constant power 2 power x. 2 power x into log 2. Now y is equal, it is in the form of constant x power n. N into x power n minus 1. 5 3s are 15 x power 1. That means 15x. Y dash is equal to 15x. Clear beta? Now, see here, y is equal to log x, y dash is equal to 1 by x, dy by log x function 1 by x. Log x is 1 by x. Remember, log x is 1 by x. Now, this is in the form of log x. Y dash is equal to 5 constant. 1 by x means log x. 5 log x. This is the answer for the given above function. Y is equal to 5 by x means y dash equal to 5 log x. Y equal to sin x, y dash is equal to cos x. Sin x differentiation cos x. Sin x differentiation cos x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x beta. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. Sin x, cos x minus sin x. Whenever pronounce ka వచ్చినప్పుడల్లా all the time you write minus before that. Cos x minus sin x. Tan x secant square x. Tan x secant square x. Secant x into tan x beta. Secant x into tan x. Once again, sin x differentiation cos x minus sin x, tan x secant square x, secant square x, secant x into tan x. Now, cosec x, cosec ka minus cosec x into cot x beta. Whenever you see ka pronunciation, cosec x into cot x, cot x again you are spelling ka, y dash equal to cot x differentiation minus cosec square x, Now it is in the form of constant x power n into x power n minus 1. So 4 into x power 1, that means 4x. Y dash is equal to 4x. This is y dash is equal to a power x into log a, 4 power x into log 4. These are the differentiation of various functions. Very important beta. Y equal to x power n, y dash is equal to n into x power n minus 1. You have to identify it is in which form. E power x differentiation e power x, a power x into log a. Variable power constant n into x power n minus 1 beta. Constant power variable as it is function note down beside log a. A power x into log a. E power x only. E power x is nothing but e power x log e base e. Log e base e is nothing but 1 only. So directly you can write e power x. Sin x cos x minus sin x, tan x secant square x, secant x into tan x, cosec x minus cosec x into cot x is minus cosec square x. These are different differentiation of different variables. Please note down, very important beta. See children, here 11 questions are given. You have to find the differentiation one by one. I will tell you. You write down, pause it and try once. Then after you see the answers. Differentiation of y dash is equal to 2 constant. This is in the form of x power n into x power n minus 1, 6x square. This is the answer. Y dash value, differentiation of this function is 6x square. Y dash is equal to e power x only. Log e base e anyway 1. Now, y dash equal to cosec x ka. Whenever you spell ka minus cosec x means cosec x into cot x. Now, y dash tan x is secant square x. This is in the form of a power x, constant power variable. So same function, write it down as it is log 5. 5 power x into log 5. This is y is given, y dash is equal to 2 constant. This is nothing but x power 1. It is in the form of x power n into x power n minus 1 beta. 2 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2 answer. Y equal to sin x, y dash equal to cos x, y equal to cos x, y dash equal to minus sin x. Whenever you pronounce ka, it should come minus. Cot x, y dash equal to minus cosec square x. So whenever cos spells minus, cot minus cosec square x. Y equal to log x, y dash equal to 1 by x. Now y is equal to constant. Constant, there is no differentiation. In the first question I told you y dash equal to 0. Is it visible, children? 11. Last question is not visible. Y equal to 15, y dash equal to 0. Please note down beta. Y equal to 15, y dash equal to 0. Next topic is very important beta. Try to understand the concept. One function is given, y is equal to e power x. Find the differentiation dy by dx. That means y is the function we are differentiating with respect to the x. X is variable. You can write it as e power x. This is okay. Till now we learnt this. Same function I want to differentiate with respect to another function time t, dy by dt. Then what will happen? Here y function is differentiating with the variable t, but t only not there in the given function. That means this whole value is constant. E power x is constant now. What is constant differentiation? 0. This total value becomes 0. Why? Because we are differentiating the function not with respect to the x, we are differentiating with respect to t. T is the variable, but variable only not given in the function. So that this whole value becomes the constant. Constant differentiation is 0. Very important concept. Note down. That means if you want to differentiate any function, it should differentiate only with the variable. If a variable is not there in the function, the whole term will be considered as a constant. Please clear. Note down here, children. Now, algebraic differentiation. Algebraic differentiation. Algebraic differentiation. Question number 1 beta. Please note down. Y is equal to x power 5, x power 3 plus 2x square plus 5x plus 1. This is the given function. Find dy by dx. That means differentiate the function with respect to the x. No doubt x is a variable. You can write it as a dy by dx. Directly I am writing. Simple, it is in the form of x power n beta. N into x power n minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into, this is in the form of x power n. N into x power n minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. Directly I am writing. Plus 5 constant x power 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1, that means x power 0, 5 into 1, 5, x power 0, plus this is constant value, constant differentiation is 0. That means directly you can write 3x square plus 4x plus 5. X power 0 value 1, any power 0 is 1. So this is what y dash, this is the differentiation of the given function beta. Please note down. One more question. Please note down question number 2. Question number 2. How to find this question? Please note down. Y equal to all functions I will give you e power x plus 5 into a power x, 5 into a power x plus x cube plus log x plus cosec x. This is the function. Find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to e power x only, 5 into a power x into log a. This is in the form of x power n. N into x power n minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Log x is 1 by x. Cosec x. Ca means minus cosec x into cot x. This is what differentiation of the given function. One more question, note down beta. Third question, this one you try to do. Y is equal to 10x square plus 1 by root x minus 1 by log x plus 5 root x plus cos x. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Dy by dx also called y dash. 10, it is in the form of x power n. N into x power n minus 1 plus 1 by root x. Root x comes into numerator. What will happen beta? X power minus 1 by 2. This you can write it as x power minus 1 by 2. Root x means x power 1 by 2. Bring into numerator x power minus 1 by 2. This is in the form of x power n. N into plus into minus minus x power n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus log x 1 by x 5 power x. It is in the form of a power x. A power x into log a cos x ka minus sin x. That's all. This is the answer. If you simplify 10 2s are 20x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by x plus 5 power x into log x minus sin x. This is what y dash beta. This is the differentiation of the given function. Please note down like this n number of values you can take and you can practice. If you practice, you will be compatible. Number of problems you practice with. Next topic is very important, multiplication of a function. How to multiply the function? Multiplication. Listen carefully beta. Till now we saw algebraic functions. Now we are going to see multiplication of two functions. How to multiply two functions? Multiplications. Multiplications. Listen carefully. Y is equal to x sin x. Y is equal to x sin x. How to do this? Now find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. You have to find the differentiation of y function with respect to x. Here x is variable, sin x is also variable. Now to find these kind of equations, there is a simple formula. Let this is u, this is v. Whenever you want to find the u and v, two different functions differentiation dy by dx of uv, first of all u keep it aside, u into dv by dx plus, now v keep it aside, du by dx. This is the very important formula in multiplication beta. D by dx of uv equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. First keep this function aside, differentiate the second one, plus keep the second one aside, differentiate the first one. Now come to the given equation, y is equal to x sin x. This is u, this is v. Now now you have to find dy by dx or y dash. First function keep it aside, d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of x. Now y dash is equal to x into, what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x plus sin x keep it aside, and this is x power 1. 1 into, this is in the form of x power n, 1 into x power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. X power 0 is 1. Any power 0, 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So answer is y dash is equal to x cos x plus sin x. X cos x plus sin x. This is the answer for the first question. Question number 2. One more question. Just I will change the values here. Y is equal to, note down beta, y is equal to x square into e power x. Find dy by dx. Now same formula. Y dash is equal to, or dy by dx is equal to, first keep the first function x square into d by dx of e power x plus e power x into d by dx of x square. This is the function. X square into e power x differentiation, e power x only. E power x into, this is x power n, n into x power n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So x square e power x, constant write first, 2 e power x into x. That's all. This is what y dash. This is differentiation of the given function. Note down. Next, one more question. Y is equal to cos x into log x. Cos x into log x. Find dy by dx beta. Again same formula. Y has two functions. Let this is u, this is v. It is in the form of ub. So y dash, also called dy by dx, both are same. First function keep it aside, cos x keep it aside, and differentiation of d by dx of log x plus log x keep it aside, d by dx of cos x. That's all, you got the answer. Cos x into log x 1 by x plus log x keep it aside, cos x ka. Whenever you pronounce ka, minus sin x, plus into minus sin x. This is what the differentiation of the given function. That's all. How simple it is. Now, next question. Y is equal to x cube into sin x. Do this beta. Y is equal to x cube into sin x. Same formula. X cube into sin x. How to do? This is u, this is v. U into v dash d by dx of sin x plus second function sin x into d by dx of x cube. Now x cube into sin x differentiation cos x plus sin x into, this is in the form of x power n into x power n minus 1. So x cube cos x plus constant, right, first 3 x square, 3 minus 1 x square sin x. This is what constant, this is what differentiation. Differentiation always approximately you are leaving some points beta. So all the time you have to put a constant. This I will tell you later. This is what finding the way of finding the differentiation. Right. Please note down. Next, division beta. Very important division. How to do division, differentiation in division. See, first of all, one example I will tell you. Y is equal to sin x by x. This is the function. There are two variables. One is in numerator, one is in denominator. How to do this? To do this, very simple formula you need to remember. D by dx of u by v. U is one function, v is another function. Whenever you need to differentiate like this, any kind of function in the form of p by q, first write the denominator v into differentiate numerator. That means d by dx of u, d by dx of u, denominator into differentiation of first function minus numerator into differentiation of second function by denominator square. This is the formula. Simply you can write it as v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This is what differentiation of u by v. D by dx of u by v function beta. Very important. U into v dash, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This is differentiation formula. Now you can come to here. Y dash is equal to denominator, right, first differentiation of sin x, d by dx of sin x minus sin x into d by dx of x by x square. So x into differentiation of sin x cos x minus sin x into x differentiation x power 1. It is in the form of x power n into x power n minus 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1. X power 1 minus 1 is x power 0, 1. So x square. This is the differentiation of the given function beta. Very important amount. Y is equal to sin x. Differentiation of u by v. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. This is the function. This is the differentiation of the division. Go to next question, dear. Y is equal to x square plus 1 by x cube. X square plus 1 by x cube. This is the function. Now you have to find y dash. First denominator into d by dx of x square plus 1 minus v into u dash minus u into v dash d by dx of x cube by x cube whole square, v square, denominator is x cube whole square. X cube into differentiation of x square. This is in the form of what? X power n, n into x power n minus 1 plus d by dx of constant 0, no need to write, minus x square plus 1 into d by dx of x cube. It is in the form of x power n, n into x power n minus 1 by x power 3 2s are 6. So 2 into, this is x power 1, x power 3, x power 1, x power 4 minus 3x square. This is what simply 3x square. 3x square into x square. 3x power 4 plus into minus minus 3x square by x power 6. 2x power 4 minus 3x power 4. Simply you can write it as minus x power 4. Minus x power 4 minus 3x square by x power 6. This is the answer for the above question beta. Please note down. Right, see beta, u by v, last question in this u by v principle. Now this total function is u, this is v. Directly you write y dash is equal to denominator first into d by dx of this whole function x square plus x cube plus 2x, u into v into u dash minus u into, now write x square plus x cube plus 2x into d by dx of x by denominator square x. Y dash is equal to x into dy dx of x square. X square differentiation 2x beta. 2 into x power 2 minus 1. N into x power n minus 1 plus 3 into x power x square. 3 into x power 3 minus 1. 2 x differentiation 1 minus differentiation of x is 1. X square plus x cube plus 2x by x square. Now simplify beta. 2x into x, 2x square plus 3x cube plus 2x minus x square minus x cube minus 2x now x square minus x cube minus 2x by x square. Now see beta, 3x cube minus x cube, 2x cube, 2x square minus x square. So plus x square minus 2x plus 2x cancel by x square. You can take common x square, you can take common 2x plus 1 by x square cancel 2x plus 1. This is the answer for the above question beta. Or simply you can take x common and you can cancel here only. Then you will get directly. That is the another way, but u by v formula you have to apply like this. 2x plus 1 you will get directly. Why? Because you no need to do all this. If you don't want to apply u by v, this is the exceptional case. Directly you can take common. If you take x common, what will happen? X plus x square plus 2 by x. X cancel. This is y function. If you want y dash, this is what 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x is the answer. 2 is constant. This differentiation is constant. That's all. X square plus correct beta. Like this you need to do u by v principle. Next we will go for chain rule. How to do chain rule? Very important. How to do chain rule? What is meant by chain rule? See here, till now we have only one variable, y is equal. Now one function I will give you, under root x square plus 1 beta, find dy by dx. This is the given function. If you want to find dy by dx, this whole part, this is not variable in a given function. This is in the form of root x. You can write it as, this can be written as x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2. Now it is in the form of x power n. X power n differentiation n into, bring this forward, into x square plus 1. This whole one is variable. Let us consider this is a variable. N into x power n minus 1. Now this is not x. It is in the form of x square plus 1. Again you have to differentiate this whole function x square plus 1. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus half. Half minus 1 minus half. Differentiation of x square, d by dx of x square is 2x. X power n into x power n minus 1 plus d by dx of 1 is 0. So now the whole answer plus 0 no need to write. The whole answer 2 cancel. Answer is x by, if this comes into denominator, x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 is nothing but root x. X by under root 1 plus x square. This is the differentiation. We call it as chain rule. First of all, y dy by dx equal to n into x power n minus 1. Again differentiate this part. So 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 minus half. Differentiation of x square is 2x. d by dx of 1 is 0. So 2x plus 1 is 0. 2x plus 1 is 2x. 2 cancel. Now x, this comes into denominator x square plus 1 whole power half. Half is nothing but under root. So x by root 1 plus x square. That is the answer for the above question beta. This is called chain rule. Very important. Question number 2. Y is equal to e power 2x. Find differentiation. So y dash equal to what will happen? E power x differentiation, e power x only. But x is not there here, 2x is given. So again you have to differentiate the above function 2x. E power 2x, 2x differentiation 2. So write 2 into x power 1, 1 into x power n minus 1. It is in the form of n power x power n, n into x power n. So 1 into x power 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, x power 0 is 1, this whole term is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. 2, keep it aside. This is the differentiation of e power 2x. Go to next question. Y is equal to sin x square beta. Find different dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to what? This total, let it be x. Sin x differentiation cos x. But x is not there. In terms of x, it is cos x square is there. So d by dx of x square. So cos x square, right first. This is in the form of x power n. N into x power n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 2x cos x square. Simply 2x cos x square. Question number 4. Question number 4. Y is equal to log 3x square. This is the function. Y is equal to log 3x square. Now find dy by dx. Log x 1 by x. Again differentiation of 3x square. 3 keep it aside. 3 constants cancel. 1 by x square into differentiation of x square, x power n, n into x power n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 x cancel. 2 by x is the answer. 2 by x is the answer. Now, next question. Question number 5. Y is equal to cos of x square plus 2x plus 4. So find dy by dx. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. In place of x, this total function is there. Again d by dx of this whole function beta, x square plus 2x plus 4. So minus sin of x square plus 2x plus 4 into differentiation of x square is 2x, x power n, n into x power n minus 1. This power you pull forward and subtract 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2x, 2 into x power 1, 1 into x power 1 minus 1, 0. Plus constant 0. This is the answer for the above question. Okay, next. One more question. Question number 6. Question number 6, see here. Y is equal to 1 by under root x square plus x plus 1. Find dy by dx. Y equal to x square plus x plus 1. This is nothing but 1. Nothing is there means root to beta. If it comes into numerator, minus 1 by 2. This is whole power 1 by 2 comes into numerator 1 by 2. Y dash equal to, this is in the form of x power n. Minus 1 by 2 into x square plus x plus 1. This whole is x. Let us consider x. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into again differentiation of this whole part. X square plus x plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 into x square plus x plus 1 whole power minus 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. This is the answer for this question. Last question. Y is equal to question number 7. Y is equal to sin e power 2x. Sin e power 2x. Y dash equal to what will happen? Sin x cos x. But x is not there. In place of x, e power 2x. D by dx of e power 2x. So cos e power 2x into e power x differentiation e power 2x Again, e power x is not there. Again, d by dx of 2x. Like this, you need to do chain rule. First differentiation of cos x, but x is not there. There is a function. Again, differentiate this function. Again, differentiate this function. Power function. Again, differentiate it. Cos e power 2x into e power 2x into 2x differentiation 2. X differentiation 1. d by dx of x is 1. Why? Because x power 1. 1 into x power 1 minus 1. So 2 e power 2x into cos e power x is the answer. E power 2x is the answer. This is what? Y dash. This is called chain rule. 2 into e power 2x, first write constant, then after function, then after trigonometric function. 2 e power 2x into cos e power 2x, this is the differentiation of the given function. This is what the differentiation of chain rule, multiplication rule, algebraic expression, all these things we saw. Now, some more topics are there. Differentiation, I will do it in part 2 beta. Practice up to here. Any doubts, write in comment section. Very important mathematical tool for both physics and mathematics. Practice well. Do number of examples. Any doubt, write in comment section. All the best. God bless you. Have a nice day.